द कैट इज जस्ट अ फ्यू वीक्स अवे फ्रॉम नाउ एंड यही वो समय है जब आपकी परसेंटाइल 80 से 90 जाएगी, 70 से 90 जाएगी, 60 से 90, 60 से 80, जो भी इंप्रूवमेंट होनी है वो यही समय है. अभी इंप्रूवमेंट होने के लिए यू वुड बी हैविंग सम स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस. Precisely what you have in front of your screen are all the questions that you may be having. What should be my focus in the last 60 days? How many hours to study? What all should I complete? What to study in each day? How many mocks to take? My scores in QA are very low. What to do? My scores in DILR are very low. What to do? What should be the attempt strategy for QA, VARC, mock में number नहीं आ रहे, so on and so forth. All of these questions, my dear friends, are compiled for you. These are the exactly same questions which you, the students, ask me on my one-on-one paid calls, but I thought that this is such a crucial time. All of these questions need to be answered. तो मेरे जितने भी एक्सपीरियंस है, जितने भी सवाल हैं, वो सब उनके जवाब मैं यहाँ पे दूंगा ताकि you can get absolute clarity of what you need to do in your last 60 days. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. What I have done for you, my dear friends, is that I have divided these so many questions which are there in 4 parts, and this video is also going to come out in 4 parts because there is so much to talk about in each of these. I really intend to help you out, be it about mindset, be it about your practical strategies. Therefore ये एक वीडियो, एक लंबी 1 आवर की वीडियो बनाने का कोई फायदा नहीं था. I thought that this should be grouped into the kind of problems you are facing and therefore 4 parts it is. In this video I will be addressing the most important questions which you have with regards to your strategy, with regards to your preparation planning कि भैया कैट की प्रेपरेशन के लिए अगले 60 दिन, 50 दिन, 40 दिन, जितने भी दिन रह गए हैं अब उसमें क्या करना है. Let me start off by addressing the question number 1 which is right there in front of you on your screen, that what should be my focus for the last 60 days. The answer is very simple. It is a 3-pronged answer and it is that you need to revise/study all the high yield topics from each section. What are these? I'll speak to you. Then you have to build a strong mock taking rhythm. Your entire preparation would be hinged upon how many mocks you take and how much of a good analysis you'll be able to do. And how will you do the analysis? Once you do the analysis, you will be able to do the third point, that you will know that there are certain gaps which you still have and obviously you will be having. अगर आपके बहुत अच्छे नंबर आ रहे हो तो you might not even be watching this video. And the third thing is fixing those gaps theoretically, and I'm using this word again because this is ज्ञान. Theoretically 3 steps यही हैं, but at times this ज्ञान is more than enough to get clarity. मेरा objective यही है because I don't know your specific cases specifically कि तुम stuck कहाँ पे हो, but to give you confidence, which is all I can do when I don't know you, when I can't see you, but I can assume that I can feel your pain. The 3 simple steps which I can give you is that अगर तुम्हें 60 दिन में, 50 दिन में कुछ चीजें फोकस करनी है, if you are watching this or your family is watching this or your friends, whoever is, it's a simple thing. High yield topics from each subject. In QA it is what? It is arithmetic, algebra, if you have time, then geometry. In DILR what? Just watch my previous video. I have given you the 10 kinds of sets which come in DILR. Practice 5 set each of those 10 and you would have covered the entire syllabus of it. And the third thing is जब ये mocks लिखोगे, the second thing is that then you have to go around and take mocks. You have to take mocks. There is no practice without taking mocks. It's almost like that I am practicing for a India-Pakistan match in my nets. क्या फायदा है? Because when you go into that stadium, that environment, that pressure, the anxiety, the frustrations are different. They are very real. You won't feel that once you walked into a match. And the match practice which you can do right now is a mock, and then analysis of it is important because from there you'll get to know what are the gaps. How to do the analysis, that is also one of the questions which I'll be addressing. But how to do analysis, I have made a 2-part video on how to do analysis. You have not seen it, I know it, उसमें views ही नहीं है. वो देखने वाली वीडियो इसलिए because लोग पूछते तो हैं how to do that analysis, but when I make that video nobody sees that because that is hard work. You have to be different. You have to watch a video which makes you do hard work. Go ahead and watch that. Moving on to the question number 2, a very commonly asked question number 2, and I would answer this very straightforward in a very simplistic manner because to each the answer would depend. The answer is very simple. It depends. The question is, can I crack CAT if I'm starting right now? And this right now could be anything. This could be 80 days, this could be 70 days, this could be 60 days, this could be 50 days. And the answer to it is depends entirely. Depends on what? Depends on who you are, where you are right now, and what you intend to do. I'll give you a simple example of this. I always give this example in my one-to-one calls as well, or to anybody who asks me these questions without sharing a lot about them. It's a very simple thing. The moment you go to a gym and you ask your gym trainer that sir मुझे 4 हफ्ते में 75 kgs of weight पे आना है, क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? Can I get to 75 kgs of weight in the next 4 weeks? What is the first thing which the gym trainer will ask you? You know the question, sorry, you know what he or she will ask you. They'll ask you that, okay, तुम्हारा existing weight क्या है? You've told me you have told me the target which you intend to achieve in 4 weeks, but what is your existing weight? Because whether you can get to 75 kgs in 4 weeks or not is entirely dependent on where you are right now. So if you were to say to them that, you know what, my current weight is 80 kgs, effectively it means 5 kgs 4 weeks. Possible, we can help you. If your current weight is 85 kgs, 10 kgs in 4 weeks, I'm sorry, I can't do it for you. My answer to it is no. The same thing applies for this. Again, if you are somebody who has great level of aptitude already, and not just your aptitude but your Angrezi is great, probably for all you know, even 4 weeks of taking mocks can launch you to the top tier in the percentile. And this happens every year. It happens. I had a student who eventually went to IMA. He was from one of the IITs. Now the moment I said that he was from one of the IITs, you would know कि हाँ, इसने अगर JEE मेंस और JEE एडवांस अगर क्रैक किया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स वो एक सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड पे ऑलरेडी प्ले कर रहा है. उसने अगर अभी तक कैट का सिलेबस देखा भी नहीं होगा, मगर अगर वो सफिशिएंट नंबर ऑफ मॉक्स दे एंड इफ दे कैन familiarize themselves with what the mock test is, they can. But having said that, am I saying that हाँ अब ये काम सिर्फ यार IITians, NITians ये वाले लोग ही कर सकते हैं? नहीं. Again, depends on who you are and where you are. For all you know, you were brilliant in your class 8th, class 9th and class 10th, for all you know. And just because of that, your quant would be good because basic concepts बहुत अच्छे हैं तुम्हारे. अब तुम्हें काम करना है strategically questions select करने कैसे होते हैं, how to solve them faster and all of those things which can be learned provided you follow somebody religiously. That's that. So the answer depends, but all I am saying is that if you figure out that the answer for you is yes, which you can only figure out after taking mocks, please follow a plan and you can do it. That is as simple as that. The point of this video, my dear friends, and specifically of this question, is to give you confidence. Things can happen, depends on who you are, where you are. Again, if you want to know it specifically for you, I cannot help you like this. Probably let me know in the comments where you are in your prep. कितने परसेंटाइल्स आ रहे हैं, क्या है, एंड आई विल गिव यू अ रिस्पॉन्स टू दैट एज फास्ट एज आई कैन. और अगेन यू कुड बुक अ one-on-one phone call with me in which we can see each other face to face and answer some of these questions in those last few weeks. But that is not important. What is important is that probably all of your important questions are already answered in this video, so sit tight. I'll move to the question number 3 now. The question number 3 is very simple. It's a very common question. Again, you would feel कि हाँ ये तो मेरा सवाल है. How many hours should I study each day? My answer to it on the outset is very simple and everyone would agree with this कि भैया तुम्हारे पास जितने घंटे हैं, जितने घंटे अब इस स्टेज पे तुम कैट प्रेप में डाल सकते हो, कृपया करके डाल दीजिए. इसमें अब ये कोई समझदारी की बात नहीं रह गई है कि हाँ वैसे तो मैं आई एम सिटिंग एट होम, आई एम आइडल, बट यू नो व्हाट, आई थिंक 5 hours are like more than like sufficient. नहीं, why do you want to leave anything to regrets? If you're sitting at home, suppose if you're sitting at home and you're preparing for CAT, which is good, a great opportunity for you, bloody utilize all your possible hours for that. Or if you are a student and you have samay on your hands, use whatever hours you are left with after your work from the college. Or worst, if you're in your job जहाँ पे अब वो समय नहीं है, जो भी remaining hours है यूज करने हैं. The point is, the answer which I'm trying to give you, a broad answer is कि भैया जितना कर सकते हो कर लो. मगर if I have to go into the specifics of this question number 3, that how many hours should I study each day for CAT prep, it is simple. At best, put in as many hours as you can. Next best is that treat it like a job. Give it 5 to 7 hours. Like you would give 8 to 9 hours to a job of yours. Give it 5 to 7 hours a day for a job. You need to reach that point. That is your optimal level. Minimum, you are going nowhere at less than 3 to 4 hours. You are going nowhere. I'll tell you that simple answer. Again, अब इसमें भी मैं फिर कहूंगा ये 5 to 7, 3 ये क्या है नंबर्स, ये सब्जेक्टिव है, ये भी सब्जेक्टिव है. सो वाइल आई एम गिविंग यू द नंबर्स, आई एम ऑल्सो द वन हु इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग माई ओन कॉन्टेंट कि 5 to 7 का कोई मतलब नहीं रह गया है. ब्रॉडली समय द अमाउंट ऑफ इनपुट इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ मेनी आवर्स यू शुड बी सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल इज दिस, बट व्हाट यू डू इन दोस 5-7 hours could be different for you and for your friend. उस केस में then you cannot come back to me and say सर आप तो 5 से 7 घंटे बोल रहे थे, मैं तो टेबल पे बैठा रह जाता, अब तुम क्या कर रहे हो, कितनी स्पीड से कर रहे हो, अब क्या करना है उन 5 to 7 hours में, वो भी इस वीडियो में आगे है इन some of the subsequent parts. So you need to really, if I were to say this to you for your own good, subscribe to the channel for a simple reason, my dear friends. A lot of the questions जो तुम्हें अभी भी आ रहे होंगे कि सर ये क्या है, तो आपने बड़ा simplistically आंसर कर दिया, अभी इसमें मुझे ये सवाल आया, वो सवाल आगे कवर्ड है. This, you know, this is a comprehensive video. At times, I'll go to the question number 4, but before that, I need to share this with you. The thing is, a lot of times students come and say to me, sir, that how do we connect to you one-on-one video call? Sir, we are there on your free group as well. If you want to be in my free Telegram group, I respond to queries in voice notes over there. You can find the link there. At times, people are not able to reach out to me. I agree. I am very slow. मैं खुद बोलता हूँ, मैं respond करने में मैं बहुत slow हूँ because I have to reach out to many people. You might want to book a call, but usme bhi if you can't wait for that, this video or this series of video intends to answer everything out there for free, because this is very simple questions and I feel कि यार इतना तो सबको पता होना चाहिए. अब इसके बाद if you want to connect with me, that could be for certain specific things which you may have कि सर अभी भी समझ नहीं आया. Moving on from there, question number 4. Should I finish 100% of the syllabus? The answer is very simple. The answer is yes, if you can, you should. But the point is you won't be able to. Especially if you're watching this video now, sometime in September or in October or I don't know when, अब तुम कर पाओगे नहीं. आइडियल आंसर तो यही है कि सब करके जाओ, क्या पता कहां से आ जाए, क्या पता वो 3 मार्क्स जो तुम एक मॉडर्न मैथ के क्वेश्चन में से निकाल लो, वो 3 मार्क तुम्हारे क्वांट की परसेंटाइल को यहां से यहां ले जाएं एंड इन टर्न तुम्हारी ओवरऑल परसेंटाइल को एक IMABC क्वालिफाइंग वाली परसेंटाइल तक ले जाए. Who knows? So ideal answer is yes, cover 100%, but the fact is we also need to be very, very practical and pragmatic. The answer is that you would not be able to do, but also a relieving answer is that but it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it as of right now. Please do not follow this if you have more than 4 months left for your prep, then you have to do everything. But अगर कम है तो भैया worth it नहीं है सब करना. क्या करना चाहिए? Aim to master 70 to 80% of it very well. अब 70 to 80 ये नंबर आया from where? ये नंबर आया cumulatively कि भैया देखो क्वांट में तुम्हें अरिथमेटिक अलजेब्रा करनी ही करनी है, ज्योमेट्री इज योर नेक्स्ट बेस्ट बेट. दैट्स दैट. VARC में RCs मास्टर करनी है. You have to watch a lot of GJO's content to hack the idea of how to read an RC, to think about an RC, to see that what is there in the options. That's that. So RCs is the main thing in your VARC. In your DILR, again, all of those 10 kinds of sets which I have created in my previous video, you need to watch that. That will give you, when you will put it together, you will realize this is 70 to 80, 70% of the entire thing. This in itself could be sufficient to give you a very respectable means to get you to a very good 98-99 percentiles. बहुत है, because क्यों सारे questions नहीं करने होते attempt. You have to give you a, you have to be very smart in your CAT. That's that. So that was about that. The 5th question is that a very important question now, that this is a more advanced sort of a question for the students who are already studying and doing things. That's how, should I study all 3 subjects in a day or just 1 or 2? Now the answer again depends on what? Depends obviously on how many hours are you studying each day, कितना पढ़ पा रहे हो. अब उसमें सीधी सी है चीज कि do all the 3 if time allows you. If you are studying for like 5-6 hours a day or 6 hours a day, you can also do all 3 per day. You can easily do all 3 per day. Like 2 hours you are studying for 6 hours and it's done with. But अगर यही 6 से कम hours पढ़ रहे हो, 5 से कम hours if you are studying, I have a better strategy. एक better, मतलब उसका एक है way, that pick 2 subjects or 2 sections to study each day. अब कौन से वाले? अब इसमें भी मेरी एक strategy है which if you've been following me, if you are subscribed to me, if you have been speaking to me, you would know that all of us know, you know what is your weakest section. For me, my weakest was QA, and you would be surprised, मैं एक engineer था और मेरा weakest था QA. So that shows you how good of an engineer I was. QA अगर मेरा weakest है और मुझे पता है मेरे पास हर दिन 2 slots है सिर्फ, हर दिन का एक स्लॉट मेरा मेरे वीकेस्ट सेक्शन को डेडिकेटेड है. सो ईच डे आई एम स्टडिंग माई वीकेस्ट सेक्शन एंड द सेकेंड स्लॉट आई एम ऑल्टरनेटिंग बिटवीन द अदर 2 सेक्शंस. एक दिन QA प्लस VRC, एक दिन QA प्लस DILR, फिर से QA प्लस VRC, फिर से QA प्लस DILR. दैट इज अ मच मोर स्मार्टर वे टू डू इट. अगर समय कम है, आप इसमें भी QA में क्या प्रेप करना है, VRC में 2 घंटे में ऐसा क्या प्रेप कर लूंगा जो कि हो जाएगा, या 1 आवर में मैं QA का और VRC का ऐसा क्या प्रेप कर लूंगा जो जो कि मुझे अब इस स्टेज पे कैट के लिए टुवर्ड्स अ ग्रेट परसेंटाइल प्रोपेल कर देगा भाई आगे वीडियोस में पार्ट्स में। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें, दांव पेच बड़ी चीजें होती हैं इसमें which comes from a lot of me speaking to you people are there, so we will speak about that also. And the last question of this video भाई, what are the must do resources if I'm starting now? मुझे कहां से पढ़ना है अगर मैं अभी से पढ़ाई शुरू कर रहा हूं या कर रही हूं? 3 चीजें चाहिए आपको, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपको. You need 3 things, that's it. In fact 4 things, but I'll say 3 things right now. First thing which is not there here is that you need guidance. गाइडेंस नहीं है आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आपने ऑब्जर्व करा होगा अगर 12th में अगर आपको गाइडेंस ठीक नहीं मिली होती तो आपने जो यूजी प्रोग्राम चूज करा वो ठीक नहीं चूज करा होता, या फिर द वंस हु हैव चोजन अ यूजी व्हिच वाज नॉट फॉर देम, दे वुड नो कि यार किसने अगर मुझे गाइड कर दिया होता ना उस समय कि यार यू शुड राइट द एग्जाम ऑफ आईपी मैट, तो शायद 12 करके मैं आईएम में पहुंच चुका होता. समथिंग एल्स, वी एक्सपीरियंस दीज थिंग्स ऑल थ्रू आवर लाइफ. कि उस समय ना कोई होता जिसने हमें ना सिखा दिया होता कि यार ये करना होता. तो पहली चीज जो मैंने नहीं लिखी है इसमें वो है कि यू नीड गाइडेंस, दैट्स वन. सेकंड थिंग इज तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, 3 चीजें चाहिए. लिसन टू दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड 3 थिंग्स. डू नॉट ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट इट. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो, इफ यू सी इन पार्ट 2 ऑफ माई वीडियो, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इज कोचिंग मटीरियल इनफ? ये आएगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएगा. तुम्हें 3 चीजें क्या चाहिए? पास्ट ईयर कैट क्वेश्चन चाहिए तुम्हें, whether you have it in the form of a book or online does not matter. That is 1. Second, you need high quality marks, and 3, you need sectional tests. ये 3 चीजें मिल जाए मैं तो I am even going to the extent that if you are somebody who believes in essentialism, you even don't need any online classes. If you're somebody who wants to know कि सर कम से कम क्या चाहिए, ये है वो कम से कम क्या चाहिए. You need guidance, irreplaceable. The kind of guidance which people seek and the people do to get guidance, you have no idea. I have been on this side. I know what all people do to reach out to me and to so many others who are like me. It's crazy. That is guidance. Past year question papers. Why past year question papers? क्यों चाहिए past year question papers? देखो समझो, जरूरी है. Past year question papers और past year questions give you confidence, all the confidence that you need. कई दफा ना CAT यार is not an exam of how much I know. Probably you know a lot, but CAT is also a test of how confident you are or how you're feeling about yourself. You can ruin your exam on the CAT day if you don't have confidence. How do you get confidence? The moment you solve all possible CAT questions which came for quant over the last 5-6 years, suddenly जो तुम्हें confidence feel होगा ना अपने शरीर में, वो अलग ही किस्म का होगा. वो क्या confidence होगा? In one statement you would be saying to yourself that wait a minute, मैंने quant के जो possible सवाल लास्ट के 5-6 साल में आए हैं मैंने सब पढ़ लिए हैं. इसके बियॉन्ड कैट में कुछ नहीं आता है और ये फैक्ट है. अब मुझे पूरी आई हैव सीन द एंटायर ब्रेथ ऑफ द कोर्स. ऐसा कोई सवाल नहीं which I have not seen. That in itself is confidence. Same is for DILR. I always tell my students that these are these 10 kinds. Solve at least 5 sets, or if you have more समय then 10 sets, 20 sets of each kind, and that is going to give you confidence. The first thing I as a mentor need to build in you is confidence. Therefore you need CAT papers. High quality mocks you need because you need mocks which recreate similar experiences to CAT, and you need to get match practice. I've already spoken about it. And sectional test क्यों चाहिए होते हैं? ये उस cases में चाहिए होते हैं when you are struggling in a particular section and you need more practice in that. So this we use very strategically to practice and to find out issues in a particular section. My dear friends, what you have in front of you are some of the most commonly asked questions in strategy and planning. There are so many more things about sections that, my scores in QA are low, my scores in DI, LR are low, in VRC is low, what should be my time strategy, so many more things. All of these things I will present to you my view on this, but in the next and subsequent parts. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for the simple reason that this is a very important series which I am making. Every question answered at one place. You need not even speak to me. You need not even speak to me. I am democratizing these very simple things. इसमें मैं ये भी नहीं कहूँगा कि देखो बड़े मुश्किल सवालों के बड़े मुश्किल जवाब मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ. No. Any good guy who's cracked CAT worth his or her salt. मैं तो influencers भी छोड़ दीजिए. किसी ने CAT लिखा भी होगा वो भी अगर अच्छे से पढ़ाई करी होगी दे देगा जवाब इसके. But it is important that since I know that I've asked these questions, I've answered these questions over the years, it was important for me to bring it to you. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channels, and let me know in the comments what all questions probably you want me to include in the subsequent parts. I could do that as well. Thanks a lot and goodbye.